In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly AI for tone adjustment in your writing. By the end, you'll know exactly how to spot tone issues, make precise revisions, and confirm that your document sounds consistent from start to finish. First, check Grammarly's tone suggestions. Open your document in Grammarly, either in the editor or in a supported app with the extension enabled. As you write, Grammarly highlights sentences where the tone may miss the mark. Maybe it's too casual for a formal note, a bit too sharp for a customer reply, or simply unclear. Look for underlines and the side panel suggestions that mention tone. You might see prompts like sounds informal, could be perceived as harsh, or unclear intent. Click each suggestion to see a short explanation and an example rewrite. Read these carefully in context. Grammarly is great at flagging tone risks, but your judgment about the audience and purpose should guide what you accept or ignore. Next, adjust your sentences accordingly. Before accepting a rewrite, consider who you're writing for and what response you want. If you're aiming for professional and courteous, replace slang or abbreviations with clear, standard phrasing. If something sounds abrupt, soften it with polite framing, time references, or solutions. For example, "I need this now" could become, "Could you please share this by noon?" If the writing feels too casual, tighten it by removing fillers, emojis, or exclamation marks. If it sounds hesitant, swap vague words for specific ones and keep sentences direct but respectful. As you revise, preserve your original meaning. You can blend Grammarly's suggestion with your own voice. Use its rewrite as a starting point, not a mandate. A quick read-aloud check helps you catch anything that still feels off. Finally, confirm tone consistency across the whole document using Grammarly's tone detector. Look at the tone summary, labels like confident, friendly, or formal, and see if they match your intent. Skim the beginning, transitions, and conclusion to ensure the voice doesn't drift, especially after edits. If you notice spikes, like a too casual paragraph in an otherwise formal report, bring it in line with the rest by matching diction, sentence length, and level of directness. Avoid overcorrecting. You want natural, consistent language, not robotic phrasing. That's it. Review tone suggestions, revise with your audience in mind, and run a final consistency check. With a little practice, Grammarly's AI becomes a reliable partner for clear, polished, and on-tone writing every time.